Or this also you are now watching AhSing Excel TV. Today we'd like to share how to create a dynamic calendar by using Excel functions. We can first make use of the let function to create a dummy to represent the first day of the month. Use the DATEVALUE function to record the first day. Type as string. We need quotation mark. First day, so we start with 1, followed by a space. This is very important. And with quotation mark. And now use ampersand and join with the month. Ampersand again and join with the year. Before that, another space, followed by ampersand and the year. Close bracket, comma, and we can now type formula to determine the last Sunday of the previous month. That is the first day of the month minus the weekday of the last day of the previous month. Close bracket to end the let function. Next, I'm going to use the sequence function to generate a list of days. Altogether, I need 6 rows. So we have 6 times 7 equal to 42. But then I would like to start from 0. So minus 1. Press enter and we should obtain a list of days in the form of serial numbers. To distribute these days to the correct cell, in front of the let function, we could use the WRAPROWS functions. Move to the end, make a comma, and type 7 since there are 7 days in a week. Close bracket and press enter, and the days are now distributed correctly. Next, select the first cell of the days and press Ctrl A, followed by Ctrl 1. Under category, click on custom. I'm going to format these days with only the days. Type 2D and click on OK. Make them center align. Next, create conditional formatting by adding new rule. I'm going to use a formula. Start with equal sign. Firstly, record the month of the days. Refer to the first cell of these days. So we have A5. Close bracket and set not equal to this month. Use the month function, bracket, followed by the date value function, bracket. Start with quotation mark and followed by any day. For example, 1 with a space and quotation mark. Use ampersand and join with this month, which is B2. But for these cells, we should use absolute reference, which means that we need $sign. Lastly, use ampersand and join with any year. Since our constant is only the month, which means that the year is not important. But then, it's a must to include a space before typing any month. Close bracket and close bracket. Then click on format. I'm going to make those days grayed out by changing the font color. Click on OK, OK again, and we should be able to see that the days that outside the month are grayed out. We could also change the font color of Sundays and Saturday. Change to the desired color, and the dynamic calendar is now created, which would change according to the year and the month, as we can see here. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.